Here are some of the main benefits. Earn passive income. Once your affiliate promotions are set up, they can generate sales and commissions month after month with little maintenance. The income can be very passive after the initial work. Low overhead. You don't need warehouse space, manufacturing costs, or inventory like traditional businesses. All you need is a laptop and internet connection to manage your business from anywhere. Easy startup. No formal qualifications or technical skills are required to become an affiliate. The barrier to entry is low both for time and money investment. Be your own boss. Affiliate marketing offers true location and schedule freedom. You can work remotely, set your own hours, and build the business at your own pace. Minimal risks. You don't have to worry about traditional business risks like creating and shipping products. The merchant handles the product fulfillment. Leverage content. By learning content creation and driving organic traffic, you can continually grow your passive affiliate earnings over time. So if you want a legitimate online business model that lets you earn at your own pace without huge overhead costs, affiliate marketing is an excellent option worth exploring. The income potential versus effort makes it very appealing.